Today I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp tags. Tags are incredibly useful for organizing your contacts and segmenting your audience, making it easier to send targeted campaigns and manage your email marketing effectively. First, open a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to access your account, so look for the Sign In button and click it. Enter your account credentials to log in and gain access to your Mailchimp dashboard. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side menu where you'll find various options for managing your account. From this menu, select Audience. This section is where all your contact management happens, and it's the central hub for applying tags and organizing your subscribers. Now, you'll see your list of contacts displayed. To tag a contact, simply click the checkbox next to the contact you want to tag. If you're looking for a specific person or group, use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the contacts you need. This makes it much easier when you're working with large lists. After selecting your contact, look near the top of the Contact Details panel and click on the Tags tab. This is where all the magic happens with organizing your audience. In the Add Tag field that appears, type in a tag name that describes this group of contacts. For example, you might type VIP if you're tagging your most valuable customers. Once you've typed the tag name, click Create and apply the tag. This immediately categorizes your selected contact with that label. If you need to remove a tag from a contact, navigate to the Choose Action section. Click the drop-down field and you'll see options to either add tags or remove tags. Select the appropriate option based on what you want to do, configure your selection, and then click Apply to make the change take effect. Here's a time-saving tip: if the tag you want to use already exists in your account, you don't need to create it again. Simply search for it in the Add Tag field, and when it appears, select it to apply to your chosen contacts. This ensures consistency across your tagging system. Finally, it's always good practice to verify your changes. Reopen the contact or contacts you've just modified and confirm that the tags appear correctly in the Tags section. This quick check ensures everything has been applied as intended and your audience segmentation is accurate. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to use tags in Mailchimp to organize and segment your audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.